Hello, me and Lola today are going to talk about some of our favorite products and contouring. Probably my biggest asked questions while I'm doing people's hair at the salon is my contouring. So, ready? You say hi? Hi. One of my favorite products that I found that I start every day with is Sun & Park Beauty Water. It's a smart cleansing liquid that's a plant-based. Do it every time I wash my face, morning and night. It exfoliates and moisturizes at the same time. Glossier's priming moisturizer. It's amazing. It's really lightweight. I don't use a lot of it. My skin's pretty oily, but it really allows my makeup to sit on really nicely. Contouring. So I have very oily skin. I can't use a cream-based contour kit. I can't use like concealers or anything. I literally will look wet. I've been contouring with like powders. I start, right now I have my foundation on. I've been using NARS, just their natural long wear radiant foundation. Do a little bit of setting powder, and then next I go with just like a bronzer. I'm right now into the MAC. It's one of their specials that they have right now. It's called Canyon Dreamin'. It's next to nothing bronzing powder, so it's not super heavy and you can really build to it. Just do a little bit on my brush, and this is a Smith brush. It's my favorite set of brushes I've ever bought. So a little bit on the brush. Then I'm going to start at my forehead, at the temples, and just kind of work down. Are you going through the drawers? Thanks. All the way down to the neck. And you basically just want to leave this T-zone your natural skin tone, and that will give you a natural kind of glow and not overdo it with the bronzer. And if you do, just use a brush without anything on it and blend. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of banana powder from Anastasia of Beverly Hills. It's a yellow base, and I just do that under the eye, on top of the eyelid. And I'll use the little shimmery guy that's in there for under the brow. From her Soft Glam, a little warmth. I'll do the glistening gold under my eye. And then burnt orange under my eye. And then with a blending brush, I'm going to do orange soda on my lid. Really warm, really natural. Someone smushed your finger while pulling all my clothes out of my drawers, huh? Can you say hi? Hi. So I just did a little mascara. Next step would be taking your highlighting brush. I use the Smith, and I'm using the Soft Glam by MAC. It's a super lightweight highlighter, and this is what's gonna give me my glowy look without actually using a cream-based glow. Bronzing brush and just kind of blend it, and then maybe a little gloss. And then I probably would add just like a little more blush on my cheeks, and I'm just using Copper Tone by MAC. And then a little finishing spray. I'm doing All Nighter by Urban Decay. Ready? And that's it. This is an everyday look I do. Super simple, takes a few minutes. Yeah, love it. It's a love-hate thing. So I found that using powders make it so it lasts all day for me. Oily skin, it's harder. So yeah, that's it. This is Lola. I'm Ashley, and I'll see you next time.